What are my rights for international travel injury compensation? Imagine you're on a trip abroad and suddenly get hurt. It can be confusing to know what steps to take or what you're entitled to. When traveling internationally, understanding your rights can make a big difference in getting fair treatment and compensation. International law plays a key role here. The main treaty that covers airline injuries is called the Montreal Convention. It was created in 1999 to set rules for airline liability during international flights. This treaty says that airlines are responsible if you get injured during the flight, while boarding or leaving, or even when being transported on airport shuttles. The Montreal Convention uses a two-tier system for liability. The first tier makes airlines strictly liable for damages up to about $151,880 special drawing rights. That's roughly $207,700. This means you don't have to prove the airline was negligent if an external event caused your injury. The airline can only avoid liability if it shows you were negligent or caused the injury yourself. If your injury costs more than the first tier limit, you can still seek additional compensation. But here, you need to prove the airline was negligent. That means showing the airline's actions or lack of care caused your injury. Injuries covered include many types. You can claim if you're hurt in a car accident, a hotel fall, a cruise mishap, a water sport injury, or even if you're injured during a ski trip. If a flight attendant or cruise staff was negligent, you have the right to seek compensation. Medical negligence, criminal assault, or even loss of life are also covered under certain conditions. Where you file your claim depends on the location of the injury. Jurisdiction is important because different countries have different laws. If you're hurt in Europe during a package holiday, your claim might go through UK courts. For US citizens injured abroad, you may be able to claim damages for medical bills, lost wages, or pain and suffering. Immediate steps after an injury include getting medical help right away. Make sure to document everything. Take photos of the scene, gather witness contact info, and keep all medical reports and receipts. Reporting the incident to the airline, hotel, or cruise line helps create an official record. Be cautious about signing documents you don't understand, as you might accidentally waive your rights. When it comes to compensation, there are two main types. General damages are for pain and suffering. Special damages cover specific costs like medical bills, travel expenses, or lost income. Travel insurance can be a big help here. It can cover emergency medical treatment, hospital stays, or even medical evacuation if needed. If your injury causes you to cancel your trip, some policies also reimburse non-refundable expenses like hotel bookings and flights. Always check your policy details because coverage varies. Getting legal help is often a smart move. International injury cases can be complicated with different laws and procedures. An attorney experienced in international law can review your case, explain your rights, and help you pursue fair compensation. They can also assist with language barriers or unfamiliar legal systems. Remember, time limits for filing claims vary by country. For example, in California, you generally have 2 years from the injury date. Missing this deadline can mean losing your right to compensation. Always check the specific time frame that applies to your situation. Travel insurance is highly recommended before you go abroad. It provides quick access to medical care, legal assistance, and reimbursement for expenses. Knowing your rights and taking proper steps can help you get the support you need if an injury happens during your trip. Keep records, seek medical help immediately, and consult a legal professional to protect your interests.